So I was in the middle of shooting the video, but then I realized it's almost time for picking up Mr. M. So here I am, trying to end this video. Welcome to CesInteriors. My name is Ces, and today we are going to talk about what else? Interior design. We are talking about trends, as always. These are the trends that will be dominating the world of interior design for 2025 and beyond. Are you excited to find out? Because I can't wait. So let's go. Get ready to say goodbye to stark minimalism and hello to a vibrant, layered, and utterly cozy aesthetic. That's where my aesthetics come to place. I try to mix and match old and new, vintage and contemporary pieces. Maximalism is back. A lot of designers are predicting that there will be a big shift from minimalism, from stark, black and white, empty spaces, to a more curated, eclectic approach to interior design. This trend is all about embracing color, pattern, texture, just like any other maximalist interiors. But this time with the warm, cozy, and diffused version of maximalism. Shall I call it refined maximalism? Yeah, that would be a good title. Let's call it refined maximalism, wherein we incorporate all the features of a maximalist space, but tone it down a little bit. That's probably how I would put it. It's a toned down, diffused version of maximalism. So let's start this new trend, refined maximalism. Create spaces that are both earthy, moody, and luxurious, with warm, inviting hues like terracotta, olive green, and more specifically, deep browns, which are making a strong comeback. And I just want to show you samples. This is from Interior Define. Look at those colors. And I love this kitchen. I just wish. And other colors that create a sense of grounding and tranquility, making your home feel like a cozy retreat. Deeper, richer, and dramatic colors are replacing that minimalist aesthetics. Dark, dramatic spaces are becoming increasingly popular. Think deep blues, rich purples, and moody blacks. To balance the darkness, incorporate plenty of natural light. Lots and lots of natural lighting if you're lucky to have big windows or sliding doors, then you're good to go. Go bold, go dark. And statement lighting fixtures. Experiment with different lighting fixtures to create that desired ambiance. Use dimmable lighting, candle, table, stand lamp, even sconces to create that layered atmosphere that we're going for. Layering different textures adds depth and visual interest to a space. Think of textured wallpaper, woven textiles, and wood accents, mid-tone flooring, velvet upholstery, kitchen and bathroom tiles like Zellige tiles, and even mosaic tiles are becoming more and more popular with celebrity homes. Layered textures. This will add depth and visual interest. Velvets, bouclés, leather, nubby textures with linen. That's how you will create that dimensional feel. Color drench. This trend is all about painting walls, ceilings, trims in the same or complementary colors. It creates a seamless, sophisticated look that's perfect for modern homes. Bold and eclectic. Maximalism is all about mixing and matching different styles, patterns, and colors. Incorporate handmade items like pottery, woven textiles, and custom furniture into your home to add a personal touch. Don't be afraid to experiment and create a space that reflects your unique personality. Supporting artisans and small businesses is more important than ever. I have some tips in incorporating these trends into your own home. Number one, start small. Begin by incorporating one or two elements of a trend into your space. Whether you have mid-century modern aesthetics, you can mix it with some Art Deco, you can mix it with some postmodern. Mix and match style. If you have a minimalist aesthetic, you can start by a brand new sofa that's velvet in burnt orange, and then layer it with a rug that's Moroccan or Turkish. A Turkish rug would be nice, like mine. Turkish-ish rug. Layer the sofa with different textured throw pillows, throws. That's your foundation for achieving this refined maximalist trend. Don't be afraid to be bold. Embrace color, texture, and unique pieces. You can also look at nature as your color palette. Look for sage green, clay orange, or forest green, and that's a way to evoke calm and connection to nature. Also, incorporate biophilia, plants, wood, and stone to further enhance that earthy aesthetic. Also, you can use warm metal accent. Pair earthy tones with warm metal pieces like brass, copper, bronze. And with these tips, I am 100% sure that you can create that stylish, luxurious, and functional space with that maximalist aesthetic. And of course, that diffuse maximalism is what we're aiming for. It's not all big, bold patterns, clashing colors and textures. There has to be a balance incorporating these items in your space. And that's what's important to achieve that harmonious, livable, functional, stylish, and comfortable space that speaks your language, that reflects your personal style. Remember, the key to interior design, a good interior design, is to experiment and have fun, more importantly. So, what do you think? What do you think about this new trend of maximalism? It's back, and I think it's here to stay for a while. But I am not a maximalist. As I coin myself, I'm a minimalist. So it's between being a minimalist and a maximalist. So there you have it, the top interior design trends of 2025. I hope you liked this video. I hope you learned something from it. And if you did, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, share with your friends and family so that we can be a bigger community of stylish designers. Let me know how you will incorporate these trends in your own space. Let me know if you will embrace this maximalism trend, this bold, eclectic trend. I can't wait to see how this trend goes. Thank you so much for watching. Until the next one, love and light to all. Bye.